The attorney's role. An IRS tax debt attorney enters the picture when tax matters become more than just filing or answering questions, particularly when IRS debt is involved. The attorney will communicate directly with the IRS on behalf of the taxpayer. The attorney manages negotiations with the IRS, reviews IRS records and details of your case, and provides insights into how best to negotiate with the IRS for debt resolution. Ceasing communication. When dealing with the IRS, in any matter, it is best if you retain an attorney to represent you. The attorney will handle all communications with the IRS representatives. Once you have retained an attorney, you should never talk to IRS agents or write them. The attorney is there to defend you and advocate for your rights. It is crucial that you tune over ALL communications to your attorney to handle. Never talk to or communicate with the IRS unless you have first consulted with your attorney. The IRS is not your friend. They can be crafty and extract information from you that is not necessarily in your best interest. The attorney is your shield. Having an attorney represent you relieves the tension and stress you are under when the IRS is after you, and protects you from saying or doing something that will hurt your case and give the IRS information they will use to their advantage.